Listen to what Rabbi Nachman says. Va'alev hu atzayah shel hamidot. The heart is the designer of all the attributes. Where does your anger, your love, your patience, your kindness, your trust, your truth, your empathy come from? It all comes from your heart. So now Rabbi Nachman's teaching an unbelievable parallel that you'll never hear this anywhere else. You are a microcosm of the whole universe. So however Hashem created the whole world, that's how you create in your own life. What is it that creates your inner world? It's your heart. How do you allow your heart to create? It needs to be empty first. This is a very, very deep thing. Why is it that when people go to Uman, they come back changed? Why? It doesn't make sense. You're going to a third world country where there's barely plumbing, and the entire country is anti-Semitic, and you walk in there, and you go into a little tiny street where they make it look a little bit like Israel, and they have Starbucks, but instead of like the Starbucks like a Rayot princess, they have a Jew with a kippah and like payot on the side. And all of a sudden you go into a room, and what are you usually busy with in your heart? Oh my gosh, I need to make money. I need to support myself. Oh my gosh, I need to find this person to marry. I need someone to love me. Oh my gosh, I need to further myself. I need people to honor me. Oh my gosh, I need this and I need that. I need this and I need that. And all of a sudden you walk into the klois, and there's 10,000 Jews all crying together to Hashem on Rosh Hashanah, the first day of the year, that we want to finally know you, that we want to experience that you're good, that you love us, that we want a really good year, a year of redemption for all the world, that there should be a renewal of existence, that we should have peace and love and unity, and you see every type of person there, and everyone's pouring their heart and singing together. What happens at that moment is we're all creating a chalal panui. All of the yearnings of the heart for physical, limited desires nullifies. And all you have is a yearning for godliness. And that itself is what sets a person up for the greatest year of his whole life. Because he created an empty space. And now Hashem can fill it.
לא ינום ולא יישן